Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Ravi Rajendra Tech Support channel. Today I am showing the AC compressor. This is a AC compressor which are mostly commonly used in automobile, car, buses, earth moving equipments, in all the equipments. This is a backside view. One is a suction and delivery port. This is a top side. This is a wiring for this compressor. It's having one wire. One is arching is there. This is a pulley, clutch pulley. Whenever that switch is pressed on, the clutch is engaged. This is compressor serial number. It's a hoses, suction hose and a delivery hoses. Suction hose, there is a port, H port, which the gas can be filled. And this is a suction hose. There will be two hoses, suction hose and delivery hoses. See, needle valve is there. The gas should not be leaked, so that's why needle valve is provided in this hose. That's all. Thank you for watching. We will update more videos. Thank you.